All right, we're dealing with an upper low right now. That means that the day is going to look kind of like this. You're going to see plenty of clouds, but you're not going to see a lot of rainfall. In fact, we have been mainly dry in the Pittsburgh area. Just saw a couple of showers moving just off to the west of downtown Pittsburgh over the Robinson area right around Moon earlier today. 77 degrees temperature this hour, and we are on path to hit the 80s once again today, something we didn't do over the weekend. 77 Pittsburgh, Beaver Falls 79, Butler 75 in Denora and Washington at 76 degrees. High temperature today about 83. Yeah, that rain chance, it's going to be sticking around for a couple more days. Here's a quick look at what you could expect with your forecast today as you are out and about. Make sure you grab that umbrella. We're looking at 82 by about 4 o'clock. 6 o'clock temperature coming in at 79 degrees. All right, so we do have, and you can see it right here, some strong storms expected in parts of the center of the state, eastern parts of the state as well. You can see it extending into parts of Maryland and West Virginia. There is a flash flood watch. It now goes through 8 o'clock Wednesday evening. So yeah, they had it issued this morning at 6 o'clock, expiring tomorrow morning. And I said this morning, I said it will be extended. They finally have just said, we're going to extend it all the way through. They're looking at, you can see these areas right around Harrisburg. They saw 1 to 3 inches of rain over the weekend. An additional 3 to 5 inches of rain is going to be expected in that area, and that is likely going to cause some issues. We're going to be kind of a near miss. We will see plenty of rain here as well, but overall, we're looking at probably about an inch, maybe an inch and a half through Wednesday. Probably about 1/10 of an inch to about 1/5 of an inch of that comes in today. Already have some spotty showers, some of those into Allegheny County. We'll zoom into Somerset County, the Bedford area, up into the Cambria area, Indiana as well. That's where most of these showers are. Notice the movement as well. They're not moving. Most of the time we see them coming from the west to the east, maybe down from the southwest to the northeast. Not today. We actually have them climbing in because the moisture that this is grabbing onto is off of the east coast. It's pulling that moisture in from the southeast. So these showers and storms are actually moving off to the northwest at around 15 miles an hour is what we're looking at. Spotty showers, maybe a pocket or two that's some moderate rain. That's about it, I think, at this point. We'll continue to see this developing over the course of the afternoon hours. A couple of stronger storms will be possible as well. Probably not going to see anything severe weather-wise, but a couple of lightning strikes could be possible. We'll do this all again tomorrow afternoon. So the heating of the day is actually helping to bring in these rain showers. We're just shy, not enough instability to get these rain showers just by without, I guess I should say, the sunshine. So how much rain are we expecting? Well, we talked about first thing in the top of the show, about 1/10 of an inch or so in Pittsburgh, and really about 1/5 of an inch or so is going to be the top line that we'll see today. But look what happens as we head into Wednesday. Big totals just off to the east, and even here locally, we could see some larger totals coming in. So we'll have to watch that closely. Here's your 7-day outlook. 83. Your expected high today, 82 your expected high tomorrow. And then on Wednesday, we're also looking at a high of about 81 degrees. Each one of those days, solid chance for rain. Rain wraps up on Thursday. We cool down, 70s for highs heading into the weekend, Friday and Saturday, but at least it'll be dry.
Okay, that'll be good.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
We certainly need it.
Oh, yeah, this is true. You know, it's hard to find some pool time with that forecast, Ron. I'm a little upset.
Yeah, a lot of cloud cover. Still want to use the sunblock, though.
Right.
Yep.
Good advice.
All right.
Thank you much, Ron.